Hello students, welcome back in your science class. Students, in last class we start chapter number 1, nutrition in plant. Okay, this is part 2. Students, let's begin. Students, in the last class we learned about these topics: mode of nutrition, autotrophics, photosynthesis and leaf structure. We saw photosynthesis कैसे हो रहा है, उसको photosynthesis होने के लिए क्या क्या requirement है, sunlight, chlorophyll, carbon dioxide को लर्न किया, लीफ स्ट्रक्चर, अपर लोअर लेयर्स देखी, स्टोमेटा लर्न किया एंड देन हाउ द गैसेस एक्सचेंज विद एटमॉस्फेयर, ये सब चीजें हमने लास्ट क्लास में पढ़ी थी. लर्न हेटरोट्रॉपिक न्यूट्रिशन एंड इट्स टाइप एंड द स्टेजेस. Okay. Students, some plants don't contain chlorophyll. Some grows in places where they don't get enough light. Such plants are not able to carry out photosynthesis. These are dependent on another plant. Let's talk about heterotrophic nutrition. Plants which cannot produce their own food and so these are dependent on green plant or other organism for their food is called heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Heterotrophic mode of nutrition we can divide in 4 parts. First, parasitic, saprophytic, symbiotic and insectivorous. Let's learn one by one. First, we learn about parasitic nutrition. A parasitic plant is one that partly or completely depends on another plant called host for nutrition. यह host plant पे dependent रहता है. Example, Cascuta, normally called amarbead. Usually, parasitic plant develop special root which penetrate into the tissue of the host plant. The prepared food is generally absorbed from the root and the stem. Organism obtain nutrient from the other organism body is called parasitic nutrition. Examples are corpus flower and Rafflesia. Okay. Students, example Cascuta, though it has a short root and a long thread-like stem, it twines around the host stem and sends branches around neighboring stem. ये क्या करता है, जो उसकी थ्रेड-लाइक स्ट्रक्चर को पास वाले स्टेम से अपने को आपको लपेट लेता है और उससे स्टेम एंड रूट से फूड को ऑब्जर्व करता है. Okay. Type of parasitic relationship only the parasitic plant benefit. जो parasitic plant होता है वही उसी को benefit होता है. Host plant को हमेशा harm होता है, धीरे धीरे उसकी growth, it's slowing down its growth and sometimes usually heavy damage. कभी कभी उसको heavy damage भी हो जाता है, host plant destroy हो जाता है. Okay. Another example of parasitic plant is mistletoe. Has leathery green leaves and it can make its own food. ये अपना खाना खुद बना सकती है, but so how is dependent on host? The plant still depend on the host for minerals and water. ये minerals and water के लिए host plant पे dependent होती है. Okay. Students, we learn next topic is saprophytic nutrition. Like a mushroom, they secrete the digestive juice on that plant. The roots of saprophyte plant, जो roots होते हैं saprophyte plant, उसमें organism होते हैं fungi. The fungi convert nutrient dead and decay matter into nutrients. They can be used for food like sugar by these plants. Students, organism obtain their nutrients जो dead and decay organism से food को conduct करता है उसको saprophytes बोलते हैं. Organism which have saprophyte nutrition, these are called saprotrophs. Okay, examples are like a bread mud. On the bread mud we have rhizopus, mucor, pin mold, etc. Another example such as जो food pickle, leatherback, saprophytes like fungi. Few more examples like these plants often they have no leaves at all. They often grow in deepest shade in tropical forest. Examples are the Indian pipe and the coral root. The Indian pipe is found commonly in Asia and North Africa, and the coral root is found in a forest around the world. Okay, students, saprophyte means rotting plant. This is saprophyte plants. Now next is third. Students, third type of nutrition is insectivorous nutrition. Have you ever heard that insect eating plant? Yes, the Venus trap and pitcher plants have eat insects and give nutrition from that. These plants are very colorful. So pitchers plant like a leaf, trap organs, pitchers and the insect hair, जो इसके अंदर hairs होते हैं वो इस इंसेक्ट को होल्ड कर लेते हैं और इसको ट्रैप कर लेते हैं, जिससे डाइजेस्टिव एंजाइम होता है जो इसको डाइजेस्ट कर लेता है और जरूरी न्यूट्रिएंट्स को सबको ऑब्जर्व कर लेता है. सो क्वेश्चन इज है, व्हाई डू दे नीड टू ईट इंसेक्ट्स? क्यों जरूरत है? बिकॉज द कॉम्प्लेक्स मैटर convert in simple form which is used by the plant. Presence of rhizobium bacteria, they convert it this complex nitrogenous matter in simple form like ammonia. These type of complex nitrogenous matter change simple form. It's called nitrogen fixation and nitrification. इसको हम nitrogen fiction, nitrification कहते हैं. बिकॉज कभी ये नहीं हो पाता बिकॉज ऑफ एसिडिक सॉइल की प्रेजेंस में ये नाइट्रोजन कॉम्प्लेक्स चेंज नहीं होता, तो देन ये प्लांट्स इंसेक्ट को ईट करके डाइजेस्टिव एंजाइम से कॉम्प्लेक्स मैटर को सिंपल फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करके न्यूट्रिशन के फॉर्म में यूज करते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, द वीनस फ्लाई ट्रैप हैज लीव मॉडिफाइड इन ट्रैप इंसेक्ट, जो इंसेक्ट को ट्रैप करती है. इनर सरफेस ऑफ लीव्स हैव सॉफ्ट हेयर्स होते हैं उसके ऊपर जो इंसेक्ट को कैच कर लेते हैं और लीव से उसको लेस देन अ सेकेंड उस इंसेक्ट को करके डाइजेस्ट कर लेते हैं. ओके एंड द नेक्स्ट इज पिचर प्लांट. पिचर प्लांट is modified from a tuber, जो पिक्चर एक पिक्चर के शेप का स्ट्रक्चर होता है एंड ऊपर एक ढक्कन के शेप का होता है. The inside of a pitcher is lined without downward pointed hair. Downward pointed hair होते हैं that is allowed to trap insect and don't climb up and escape. So they not allowed to climb up and escape. The fluid at the bottom, the pitcher contain digesting juice is digest the trapped insect. The next is sundew plant. The sundew plant, the leaves of sundew plant have long thin structure called tentacles which have drop of sticky substance होता है जिसे हम म्यूसिलेज बोलते हैं. दिस द एंड पे ये जो ड्रॉप लाइक शेप दिख रहा है, ये once an insect touch the tentacles it gets stuck, इसको escape कर लेता, escape नहीं होने देता and it's then digest. Last we learn about symbiotic nutrition. Students, symbiotic nutrition, the organisms which live together like a friend, they share shelter and food. In the science, these type of relation, it's called symbiotic relationship. Students, like rhizobium bacteria and the leguminaceae plant such as peas, moong, beans, etc. live together. These rhizobium bacteria live on a root and the root provide the rhizobium bacteria food. Other hand, rhizobium bacteria वापस प्लांट को जो सॉइल के अंदर नाइट्रोजन प्रेजेंस है उसको उसके यूज के फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करके उसको अवेलेबल करवाता है. सो बोथ आर हेल्प ईच अदर. And the other example of symbiotic nutrition is algae and fungi. Both are equal to called liking. Fungi provide to algae share shelter, water and other nutrients, and algae offer food prepared by photosynthesis to fungi. Both are help each other. Yes. So students, with this topic we complete this chapter. In this chapter, nutrition in plant, we learn modes of nutrition like autotrophic and heterotrophic. In autotrophics, we learn photosynthesis, leaf structure, and in heterotopics we learn 4 types of nutrition: insectivorous, parasite, symbiotic and saprophytic. Okay students, if you have any doubt, any query, you can message me on WhatsApp, you can call me if you have any doubt. Thank you students, we complete the chapter number 1, nutrition in plants. Okay, thank you.